今年繼續會加碼送禮物俾大家 ，AirPod Pro Free 超級靚，訂咗5盒送埋俾大家。麻雀雖小，五臟俱全，花藝打卡位置，多裝嘅 area 啦 ，Jo Malone 就係情侶交換 outfit。
Just tell me this is easier. Come on,
My baby。喂，女仔唔做咁樣喂。早晨啦，嚟到12月啦，即係今年嘅最後一個月，我決定要同大家有啲儀式咁拍個 vlog 記錄下，究竟今日我開 party 會係咩狀況呢？咁開 party 之前呢，首先我而家就要返公司做嘢，因為年尾超多嘢做，已經被租顧名嚴重侵佔嘅世界。今日咧有班朋友上嚟開呢個 Christmas party 啦，我諗係我搬咗屋以嚟，我第一次請咁大班朋友上嚟咯。大家望呢一個聖誕物場，發現有冇啲咩乾坤嘅？就係全部都係 Charlotte Tilbury。呢個有我個名，呢個有我個名，跟住呢一個都係有我個名 ，sponsored by Charlotte Tilbury 嘅聖誕牆。而呢一棵聖誕樹咧，就係喺上年嗰間鋪嗰度 order 翻同一款嘅，但係我覺得佢有啲歪啊，你見唔見到？咁樣歪咗過嚟咯。然後呢個燈槽位勁好，啱啱可以晾到呢條嘢上去。聖誕帽無處不在，然後 Ash 都戴咗頂聖誕帽，但係有啲太大。其實創業已經1年啦，但係我都冇同大家介紹過究竟我間鋪頭係咩樣。今日俾大家好 briefly 咁樣睇一次。一打開門你就見到我精心貼嘅聖誕老人貼紙啦，係咪好 Q 好得意？呢個 size 啱啱好，呢個 unit 勁好咯，係一梯一伙，勁有 privacy。大家都望緊門口嗰度入到嚟就係呢個好靚嘅花藝打卡位置，亦都有我哋嘅 logo 啦。咁呢個位咧其實都係好闊落，但係成個都係一個等候嘅 area。咁當然客喺度嘅時間就唔會太長啦。通常一嚟到咧就會帶佢哋入房噶啦。呢個花好多人問係咪真嘅咧？其實就唔係真嘅。不過咧佢呢個花藝真係做得好靚，係一個仿真嘅絲花咯。咁所以有時候啲客都會喺度影下相。跟住有棵好弱雞嘅聖誕樹。麻雀雖小，五臟俱全。一通過去咧就係我哋房啦，我哋有5間房咁多。咁其實呢個位咧係可以拉埋嘅，不過我哋暫時未拉，因為暫時未有身體療程。但如果身體療程嘅話咧，想多啲 privacy 咧，就會喺度閂埋噶啦。呢度有個聖誕抽獎波波啦，每一粒都有獎。廁所 number 1呢個就細啲嘅，跟住行入去咧嗰個就會大啲嘅，呢個就會大啲嘅。咁所以通常啲客就喺呢度，跟住呢度咧就係一個梳妝嘅 area 啦，亦都有好多我嘅私伙嘢 Jo Malone。我部影印機勁恐怖，咩事 ？Summary of my life， 抽唔抽得中呢？每一次客人有得抽中，我都會為佢感到好緊張。12月啦，我哋到店咧，每一位客人咧，我哋都會送一啲貼心小禮物嘅。你最近覺得皮膚乾唔乾啊？容唔容易敏感啊？敏感就少。好，咁咧我哋有2款 mask， 一個係人參，一個積雪草，你想揀邊個？好啊，冇問題啊 ，OK 啦，約咗啦。好，我送你出去啊！我發現咧公司有一間做外賣，佢嘅呢個梅菜鯇魚飯，哇，超好食！食完一次之後咧，我係瘋狂去周圍唔同嘅地方都會揾梅菜鯇魚飯咯。忍唔住問佢啦，我想問你哋係咪唔再出鯇魚飯？咁話唔係啊，係下個禮拜有咁樣。究竟我嗌咗咩嘢食咧？因為咧，我覺得我自己好似有少少瀕臨病嘅邊緣，所以咧我都係冷靜少少，係好沉悶嘅湯飯。哇！佢呢個懸浮物咁樣，有冇人食湯飯係會落晒啲飯㗎咧？我係一定唔會落晒，係一定落一半，一定食唔晒。哇！咁快就嚟到2026年啦！上年年尾同 Lavender 聯成出咗一個 giveaway， 大家反應非常之熱烈。今年繼續會加碼送禮物俾大家，今次咧都會抽出30位 giveaway 嘅幸運兒，其中10位仲會得到我為大家精心挑選嘅特別大獎啊！除咗免費療程之外，免費療程會送啲咩咧？不嬲都力推嘅光圈換膚，好多人做嘅無創水光針啦，甚至乎 HIFU 款呢個咧就係 random 咁樣送啦。10份禮物究竟揀咗啲咩咧？好快同大家開箱。首先我哋由最正嘅開始講起啦。 噔噔 AirPod Pro Free。其實本身我自己想換嘅，但係我嗰個咧又好完整無缺，所以大家幫我試新產品啦。最正咧就係佢可以即時翻譯，我都好想買一個俾阿掟嘅，因為佢有時候聽唔明廣東話，佢就可以派上用場啦。抽到嘅朋友仔記住話俾我知用後感係點。跟住咧，我買咗2個聖誕節好 festive 包裝嘅 Stanley Cup， 2個 size 啦。哇！差少好實用嘅 size， 我斟滿咗水之後，就會 keep 住想快啲飲多啲水，鼓勵大家多學水啦，幾靚又少女心，唔會太高調。係細啲嘅版本，但係佢呢個香檳金色超級靚。個手柄係一個磨砂嘅 matte 面，之後呢度有少少雪花。我係好中意送水樽俾人嘅，上年都有送過 Lululemon 嘅水樽。呢個都係新鮮送到 Adidas 袋。佢而家出啲款咧係真係越嚟越可愛啦、少女啦同埋韓風。見到今年出咗啲冬天嘅版本嘅袋，勁得意，即刻訂咗2個。好得意啊！呢個好似牛角包嘅雲朵袋。灰通啲嘅藍色啦，毛絨厚厚地，好 fluffy 嘅感覺。當時上網見到已經覺得好正，一定要買。另外呢個，喂，呢個越比我想象中大喎。哇！呢啲質地啊，係 Q 死嘅質地啦。咁如果係延長嘅話咧，呢度就可以索。可以放幅圖俾大家做參考，勁得意！1、2、3、4、5，除咗呢5份之外咧，另外5份咧就係我哋特登去訂嘅巴寶 Advent Calendar。雖然呢條片出街嘅時候咧，聖誕節已經過咗，不過冇所謂嘅，開禮物其實係冇分呢個節日同埋時間嘅限制。因為之前我同大家做團購嘅嗰個巴寶精華咧，大家都好中意。跟住咧，我哋就見到，咦，佢哋聖誕有出呢個限量嘅 Advent Calendar， 超正，訂咗5盒送埋俾大家，大盒好開心，自費㗎，全部都。咁究竟參加方法係點呢？首先咧就係 follow 我同埋 Lavana 嘅 IG， 第二就係去 Lavana 嘅呢一個 giveaway 嘅 post 下面留言，話俾我知新一年有啲咩新年願望，然後再 tag 3個朋友。2個星期之後咧，我哋就 DM 得獎者話俾你知你中咗啲乜嘢，點樣去領獎噶啦，就係咁樣啦。我而家要出翻去開 party， 其實我而家同啲 friend Christmas party 噶。大家好，我終於做嘢做到 last moment， 而家係6點半，好彩我早過嘅 guest 嚟到啫。而家我仲要換衫，仲要化妝啊！難得見朋友要化妝啊！咧有個超級分嘅主題啦，就係情侶交換 outfit 着。因為咁啱今日嚟到嘅5 pair 人全部都係情侶或者係夫妻。因為平時我哋都係去人哋嘅屋企嗰度 join party， 今次係第一次 host 啦，所以就可以。Yes, honey, can you give me your golf outfit?其實通常女人着男人套衫係唔會出事，係男人着女仔套衫先至好笑嘅啫。不過因為我哋係 host 啦，所以不能夠馬虎，我哋做好一個好榜樣。1, 2, 3 Oh, a crazy woman. From the bottom.
Just tell me, this is easier. Come on. We're back. We're back.
Haven't I?
Okay.
You're nice.
As long as it's nice.
而家用最快嘅速度發覺裸妝。好彩就係我哋冇一位 guest 係準時嘅。而家幾多點啊？全部都遲到。最後就會幫呢間屋噴上呢一個聖誕味嘅香水啦。Come here, my baby. Final touch. You like your new look?
I'm gonna attract the wrong crowd.
我哋真金白銀嗰個 Best Costume Award 咧就會有300蚊。哇 ，wavy material. But you're too revealing. You're too revealing.
Oh, yes. Welcome. Wow. This is a little housewarming. Oh, thanks.
喂，你直接將佢嗰件衫揀。
What the hell? Yes.
喂，你合埋隻腳先啦，你斯文少少先。好啦，突啊，報警啊要。
Yeah, I think that's.
Okay.
I got covered.
你望呢度。Oh my god!
Oh, we have a crop top. Why did you show shoulders? Oh, why the hell so dry?
佢就喺 喺度煮緊呢一個 mug wine。
I don't know how to make it, but
Is it your first time?
yeah, of course.
Oh my god. Oh
What are you guys doing?
yes.
Let's go.
Yes.
哇！呢嚿肉黐線啊，
Hold it up.
成個籃球咁大喎！喂，be
走光啦
appropriate，走光啦！我哋逼佢換衫。
走光。
OK，
Grab one, same one.
哇，會唔會太大嚿啊？
Yeah.
好似 brownie 咁樣。
Our one.
哇！跟住呢度係插個蠟燭。Happy birthday to you。首先 ，Welcome to Family's Christmas celebration. So this is number 1 to 10. You take turns. If you're number 1, you can choose first. 邊個係第一啊？No, you can't choose. 即係我哋重新一次我哋個 theme。大家記唔記得個 theme 係咩？Useless but useful.
Okay.
So it has to be creative, okay? Number 3. What will you pick? Wait, you can't look at it like this. You can't look at it.
You looked into it. No, I didn't see it. I saw you look into it. I didn't see
You have to take it. You have to take it.
No, I'm not taking that. Okay. Is this
No, this is from me.
This is me. Yeah, I think it's massive bag.
Oh my god.
Speakers. It's again. Oh my god.
Kiss, 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 kiss.
Oh yes!
Love it, love it. 哇，究竟係咩嚟㗎啦？CCD。
Look at us carrying.
Guys, also that's exactly how God feels.
呢個都係一個嚟嘅喎，望下你哋個反應先。Fine, do this one。啱唔啱我㗎？
Yeah. Oh no, it's the. Oh man.
This is the worst。0分啊呢個，好 Q 啊！都係 travel 用㗎，啲 neck pillow，neck pillow。你哋要扮你哋嘅 lovers，OK？ That actually looks like me。阿 Dan 真係好似我。喂，女仔唔做咁樣喎 Ada。
It's a very damn thing to do is practice this.
So okay, another one. Another one.
So far. Where's my ball?